Welcome to Padstow Lifeboat Station at Mother Ivey's Bay. An ancient curse, the bay was once known as Polventon Bay, meaning the cove with a spring, but it's believed to have been renamed sometime in the 19th century after a local character, Mother Ivey, who legend has it, was a white witch. Unfortunately, there is no parking at Mother Ivey's Bay. The nearest car parks are at Harlem Bay or Trevose Head, both of which are about a mile away. Mother Ivey's Bay Holiday Park, unfortunately you cannot use their facilities unless you have booked accommodation. Due to the lack of facilities here, the bay rarely gets too crowded, even on the busiest summer days. So don't forget to take plenty of water and some food with you. The bay is dog friendly all year, but you do need to check when you can take your dog off the lead. If you like what you see, please subscribe to not miss out on the next video. Thank you.